Hey guys, what's happening and welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Jamie and today, or tonight, we're gonna be unboxing a mystery box that arrived on Saturday from Realme. I don't know if you can read it, but yeah, this box came from Realme. They told us that we could only open the contents or actually share the contents with you guys on May 6th, which just happens to be today. So we're gonna open this thing up and I think I know what's inside of it, or at least one of the things that's inside of it, and I'm hoping it is what it is. So without any further ado, let's unbox this thing. Okay, I have my trusty little cutter here. Let's open through this thing and see what is inside. O, diba? Also, by the way, parang Nakikimystery box na kami. I think this is the first time we're doing this on this channel. So medyo milestone mo considered yun. Basta, first time we're doing a mystery box opening, and here we go. First things first is that may sign siya. Gaming mystery box. So yeah, medyo alam ko na yung laman, diba? Hindi ko pa siya titignan kung ano yung laman niya talaga, but yeah. Okay, first things first is they have a travel pillow because I guess if you're gaming for a long time, kung gusto mong mag-lean back sa chair, kailangan mo to para supportahan yung neck mo. Yeah, alright. Oh, okay, medyo nakita ko na yung yeah, I was right. But before we get to that, let's get to with the rest of the stuff first. They have a gaming handle, so from what I can see, this will turn your phone into a gamepad. So it's more ergonomic to use. So para siyang controller ng PS4 or Xbox. You just slip the phone in the center. I guess, for parang prolonged periods of time na mag-game ka, this would be more comfortable than just holding the phone in your hands. So yan, especially si Realme, mahiling magpa-Mobile Legends stream now and then. Perfect thing. We'll definitely see this in the gaming review, I think. Alright, so let's get to the second thing, which is the Realme Buds. So, yung magtataka kayo, like most of the time, kung sa mga unboxing namin, madami nagtatanong kung bakit walang earphones kasama yung Realme. It's because they actually sell the earphones separately. I think it's less than 800 pesos, so you don't have to worry. It's not a lot of money. That's also optional because some of you might already have your favorite your favorite pair of earphones already, so optional siya. So at least, I think that's one of the ways when they're able to cut costs is it's not included. But yeah, I've actually been curious to hear what these things sound like, which I guess we'll be able to do now that they sent us over a copy. Also, if you hear a plane, I'm very, very sorry. I live near the airport. By the way, yeah, we do the unboxings sa bahay namin. So, this is my home office where you're seeing right now. So, yan, kung makita nyo, this is the earbuds. Ano ba tawag nila? The Realme Buds. Yan. So, I've been very, very curious about the sound quality of these things. I like it because, already because you have braided cables aside from, yung yung cable nag-attach sa 3.5mm jack mismo, ang braided. So that's a little bit more durable than your standard wires, I guess. So yeah, we'll give that a listen very, very soon. Not now because tatagal yung video na to and I want to share it with you guys right away. Next up is a bar ba considered to? A bar of haichu, which is sobrang sarap nito. I don't know if you guys have tasted it. Yung favorite flavor ko is strawberry, but I'm guessing since on point yung branding ng mango yung drink nila. I'm looking at the screen and not the camera, but yeah, these are awesome. Kung napupunta akong Bangkok, I always buy a lot of these. For some reason, iba yung lasa nila a little bit. Hindi ko alam kung sa mind ko lang yun, but yeah, haichu. What's up, chat? Thanks, guys. Next is, syempre hinuhuli ko talaga yung like the grand prize. Ayan po, basta, yun. I'm guessing ito yung Realme hoodie na nakita ko ng mga, like, yung mga kilala namin sa marketing. Unfortunately, small yung size niya and malaki akong tao, so I guess this goes to Leia. But yeah, I've always wanted one of these. I think it looks dope. Naaaaks, dope. Ito yung hoodie nila. I don't know if na-appreciate nyo yung kulay kasi we can get very, very political. But let's not talk about that. It's an awesome hoodie. Unfortunately, this goes to Leia and not to me. Well, conjugal property, I guess, because misis ko si Leia. But yeah, anyway, actually 2 more things. Ihuli ko talaga yung grand prize. Kung ano. There is a small letter that says, syempre, dapat ito pala yung unang binasa ko. Dear Gaming Mystery Box recipient, as we approach the launch of the Real Gaming Pro this May 17th, 2019, we present you the Realme 3 Pro. Have fun playing games to a new level with its specifications fit for gaming. Yeah, well, yung iba hashtags na. So, yeah. Also, unfortunately, may instructions kami na hindi siya pwedeng buksan for now. So, you'll have to kind of hold off your, I guess, more anticipation as we unbox this thing. We can show you the phone itself, but unfortunately, we've been instructed not to turn it on. So here you guys have it, the box for the Realme 3 Pro. There's actually very little information, so I don't know, unless some of you can read that, I can't. There's pretty much no information about the specs that we're getting out of the box. But ang alam ko, this has the Snapdragon 710, tama ba? And then, I think up to 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. I could be wrong. Again, this is very unscripted. As you can see, nabubulol-bulol ako and I'm just letting things go because that's the way it is, yo. So here you have it, yung box ng Realme 3 Pro in their signature gray and yellow colorway. Let's open it and show you guys the phone, or at least ano yung laman niya, which is, I think, pretty much what we've come to expect from each of the phones already. You have yung SIM ejector tool, of course, and then may case siya nakasama, which is, again, standard jelly case. And then documentation, quick start guide and warranty quick start guide and important information. Will we read it? Probably not. But yeah, let's move on. So this is the phone. Sana maganda yung kulay. Well, super excited to share with you guys ano yung capabilities ng phone nito. And hopefully we have the official price point for the Realme 3 Pro very, very soon. I don't know, I should ask if we're allowed to share or kung pwede nang i-share yung information na yun or kung meron na, hindi ako sigurado. I went to this completely blind. So we have the Realme 3 Pro here. Again, bawal namin buksan, unfortunately. And it is in black. Pero medyo parang may wavy lines ako nakita. So hopefully makuha namin siya B-roll once we are allowed to share more information with you guys. Sayang bawal buksan, nakaka-tempt, pero sige, follow instructions, baka pagalitan kami ng Realme. You have, of course, yung charger, and it's VOOC. So kung hindi nyo alam, yung Realme used to be a sub-brand of Oppo. So some of the things some of the technologies from Oppo, of course, they inherit, and one of them is VOOC charging. Medyo hindi ko alam bakit hindi siya standard plug sa Pilipinas, pero adapter lang naman katapat niya. Yeah, VOOC charging, I think it's 3.0 from off the top of my head kung ano yung specs niya, so which means you should be able to top up this phone really, really quickly. And of course, the last bit of yung laman ng box is yung charging cable. So that's pretty much it. I'm very, very excited to open this phone up. I will be doing so off camera and we'll be playing around with this phone a little bit and sharing you guys all of the information that we get about this phone very, very soon. I think May 17 pa allowed yung posting, but it's going to be very, very good. Sana maganda yung price point. I think parang mga 11,000 natin inubas sa India or 12,000 ba yun? I'm sure someone will correct me in the comment section, but the pricing should be good. I mean, if the Realme 3 was below 10,000 pesos, I'm pretty confident that this one will have a good price as well. So I think that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for joining me for our first ever mystery box unboxing here on the channel for the Realme 3 Pro, or well, it was a gaming mystery box. Again, no fancy B-roll here. I just wanted to share our experience unboxing this thing with you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I am going to edit this so I can have it up in time for tonight, or May 6th right now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell if you don't want to miss out on the next ones. And by the way, you really don't want to miss out on the next ones because we are running a couple of giveaways for you guys. Well, pinamigay ko na. Dapat sabi ko surprise, but well, I think you guys know that it was leading there. If you have any comments or any violent reactions to the style of this video, leave them down below, and I will try to reply. Just as long as you're nice in the comment section. But yeah, my ego is very frail. Anyway, so yeah, just follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and of course visit the website unbox.ph for all your latest gadget news and tech all your tech news and gadget reviews from the Philippines. Nabotch ko pala yung outro namin. Anyway, my name is Jamie. Peace, God bless, and I'll see you guys in the next video.